Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install Coinbase wallet app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, head towards the App Store, which is the familiar blue icon app, and in the above search bar, you can just type in Coinbase wallet. After after putting the keyword, you can find various of options here, but for now we want to go for the third one, which is the blue icon. And just remember the logo, guys. And in the app interface, you can find various of screenshots and reviews. Let's tap Get to start the download process. It will open a prompt where you can be asked for your ID verification, either with the Touch ID or the Face ID. Please verify your identity, and here you go. The download process has been started. After a few minutes, as for your internet speed, Coinbase wallet will install in your device. After the progress bar turns to open button, click on the open button so that you can easily explore the app. Thank you so much for watching video till the end, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days. So make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon for all feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video.